bloody hell is she? She's right here.
Poor darling, where is she?
Well, she's probably wherever you left her, my darling.
I didn't leave her, you left her.
Well, I didn't. We both walked away from her, clearly. She's not here.
What are we going to do?
Well, I don't know.
Darling!
It's like,
Darling!
Good Lord.
Look!
What?
Look! Darling, how did you get in there? We need some help. Somebody help! There's got to be someone inside that can help. Look, there's a magician's over there.
Well, let's go and talk to the magician then, perhaps.
Sense of urgency, man. Our daughter is trapped in a balloon.
She's right there, isn't she? She's not going anywhere.
Oh, look, a lady in a top hat. She must be the magician. Help, please help. Our daughter's trapped in a balloon.
What kind of mysterious, peculiar matters you would like
Our
resolved?
dear daughter here seems to be stuck in this balloon.
Just look at how small she is.
You mean you want your daughter back?
Yes, of course.
I think I might have a solution for
What?
you.
What? Tell us.
There is a special place where we shall all go. Grab the balloon. Let's go to the bouncy castle. And there, you'll get your kid back. Could you pass me this air pump?
Surely this
please?
isn't going to work.
What? Of course it's going to work.